Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to customize your mouse cursor in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all we are going to search bar and search settings. Click on settings. Here we will go to accessibility and click on mouse pointer and touch. Here you can switch between white, black, inverted color or custom color pointers. Pick any color for your cursor, any of color for your cursor. Change the pointer size with this slider. For big, click on that, and for small, reverse it. So the next is adjust pointer speed. So for this we are again going to settings, Bluetooth and device. Here you will be scroll down, click on mouse. Here you will see mouse pointer speed. According to your need, you can increase or decrease it. The normal speed is 10. Here you will see scrolling direction, roll the mouse wheel to scroll, and many more settings related to mouse. So the next is enhance pointer visibility. Again going to accessibility, mouse pointer and touch. Here you will see pointer image. You can select any of the image of your pointer or scroll down the page. Touch indicator, if you enable this, mark circle darker and larger. Show a circle on the screen where I touch it. For example, from now where I touch, so the next is enable mouse trails. So for this we are going to search bar, type control panel, click on control panel. Here you will see lot of settings. Click on mouse, go to pointer options. Here you will see all the settings. Display pointer trails. Your mouse pointer will display these trails. Adjust the trail length according to short or long. If you click short, it's not visible. If you click long, it will be visible. This is useful for presentation or accessibility needs. And that's it. How you customize your cursor in Windows 11, from colors and size to speed, themes and visibility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment about what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.